Good day. In this video, we're going to look into interval notation. There are different notations that we use in maths. We're going to work from the one to the other, but we're going to work today towards the interval notation. We have here something written in the form of set builder notation. It says here that the numbers we are looking for, we call it x is bigger than minus 5, and the numbers we're looking for is smaller and equal to 1. So we're looking for the numbers between minus 5 and 1. We have to write that in interval notation. Also will then look like this. It will say x is an element of, round bracket meaning not including minus 5, up to and including 1, square bracket meaning including. Another very important fact is that you are only allowed to do interval notation, the square and round bracket stuff, if it's working with real numbers. That means this is every number from minus 5 until 1, not including minus 5, and millions of numbers in between of these numbers. Now let's look at 8 examples of how you convert from one notation to the next. What we have here is a set builder notation, which means we start at the back always. It says here x is an element of real numbers, so we're going to work with real numbers. You must go and look at the video what real numbers mean. Then it says here the values that we're looking for, I always call it x, is going to be smaller and equal to 1. That's on the left-hand side of 1 on the number line. Or the numbers we're looking for is going to be bigger and equal to minus 2. So it actually says the numbers we're looking for is between minus 2 and 1, including both of them. That's how we write it in interval notation. We put a square bracket, that means including, put down the minus 2. We don't write the other numbers. We put the last number down, which is 1, and a square bracket again. So these two writings mean the same thing. Set builder notation, interval notation. This one now says the numbers we are looking for is bigger than minus 2. It's not equal to minus 2. And the numbers we're looking for is smaller than 1. They are real numbers, so I'm allowed to use the interval notation way of writing. Because there's no equals, I put round brackets on the two sides. The number stays the same. The number I've got there is written over there, and the number I've got is written over there. So round brackets means not talking about minus 2 and 1. Square brackets means including the 1 and the minus 2. The next one says the numbers we're looking for, x, is bigger than minus 2, so not equal to minus 2. And the numbers are equal to and smaller than 1. So we're going to have a round bracket because there's no equal at the minus 2. And we're going to have this equal at the 1, so we've got a square bracket at the 1. Here are millions of numbers written in between here, from minus 2 to 1. It's not just minus 1, 0, and 1. It's millions of numbers in between. Next one says the numbers we're looking for are bigger and equal to minus 2. So that's why there's a square bracket at the minus 2. The numbers we're looking for is smaller than 1, not equal to. So that's a round bracket at the 1. Please stop the video and look exactly how this fits together. Here is another example. Now they're giving us the interval notation and asking us to put it on a number line. So here we said x is an element of minus 2 square bracket means including, up to and including 1 square bracket including. So we go on the number line, make a mark at minus 2 and put a solid black dot there. Go to 1, make a circle with a solid black dot there and connect them. This indicates millions. There's a line over there which means millions of points. So there are millions of numbers being indicated here from minus 2 to 1 including both of them. Same way of writing. Next one, in interval notation, it says x is an element of minus 2. Round bracket means not the minus 2. That's why we put a circle here above the minus 2. Up to and including 1 with a square bracket, including the 1. I go to 1, I put a solid dot, and I connect them with millions of points. So this is on a number line, the same answer as this, indicating millions of points from minus 2 to 1, including 1, excluding 2. The next one says minus 2 round bracket excluding minus 2 up to and including 1 round bracket excluding 1. So we go on a number line. Above minus 2 we put an empty circle. Above 1 we put an empty circle and we connect it with millions of points. That means we want all the numbers between minus 2 and 1. This says we want all the numbers between minus 2 and 1 excluding minus 2, excluding minus 2, excluding 1, excluding 1. Last one for this video. Here we have x is an element of running from minus 2, including minus 2 because of the square bracket, up to 1, excluding the 1. There's a round bracket there. So I go onto the number line. Above minus 2, I make a solid black dot, draw millions of points in between, and put a circle at 1, excluding the 1, including the minus 2. Round bracket excluding the 1. square bracket including the minus 2. These two numbers as they stand with these square and round brackets indicates millions of numbers in that interval.